Hey everyone! In this quick tutorial, I'm going to show you exactly how to make your audio files public on Roblox. So if you've uploaded an audio and want others to use it from the Creator Store, just follow along step by step to get it done. Alright, let's dive in. Open the Roblox website on your browser. At the top, click on Create. Now, from the left-hand side, click on Creations, then select Development Items and choose Audio. Now we need to upload your audio file. Click on Upload Asset, then click the Upload button and select your MP3 file. Give your audio a name, you can call it anything you want, and you can also add a description if you like. Once everything is ready, scroll down and click Upload. After your file is uploaded, you'll see it listed at the bottom. Click on your audio file to open it. Now scroll down until you find Distribute on Creator Store option. Before you can enable this, you need to request approval. Click on Submit for Review, agree to the terms and conditions, and submit your request. Keep in mind you must have your identity verified on Roblox to do this. Once you submit, you'll see a message saying your approval is pending. This usually takes around 24 hours, but sometimes it can be faster. After your audio gets approved, go back to your audio file, open it again, and now turn on Distribute on Creator Store. Then click Save Changes. One important thing to remember, your audio must be under 6 seconds long, otherwise you won't be able to make it public. And that's it. That's how you make your audio file public on Roblox.